had another client, he come up with us, and wells are kind of funny. Some wells, their gas dies off and you don't need as much of an incinerator, and some wells, the gas comes on stronger. He anticipated that the gas was going to come up, so we were kind of 8 decks of gas that we were looking at burning, which would be like a TCI 3000. And then he goes, well, it might go to 12. I'm like, well, that's 2 different units, so what do we want to do here? He goes, well, I like the price of the one to the 8 deck unit, but I want it to burn 12. I'm like, well. So what we ended up doing was we added extra rings, made it a TCI 4000 3-ring, but only tied in the 2 rings. About a month later, the gas did go from that 8 decks to 12 decks, so we went in, put all the extra burners, put the ring piping on it, and he was good to go. Another 2 weeks later, he comes back and I'm getting 13, 14 decks now. I'm like, well, I kind of planned for this, put a stack extension, just built it here, drove out there, put it on. It was 2 hours to install, and he's back up and running again. So we went with one single unit that was sized for 8 decks, went all the way to 14, just with a couple modifications that we pre-planned. But when we give you a model number like a 3000 or a 4000, it's kind of the starting of the building blocks for our incinerators that can scale up and down. I kind of tell people you never really have too big of an incinerator, but it's usually the cost that dictates how big you go.